Learn how to make lemon essential oil for skin lightening, hair and acne treatments. For further details, please research on Google. Hello everyone and welcome back to Queen Varieties channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. The only ingredients needed for this recipe are your organic lemons and any organic oil of your choice. Yes, it's as simple as that. Wash the lemons in clean water, dry and begin to grate them as shown in the video. Once you have completed the grating process, kindly transfer to a very clean jar or any container of choice that can withstand heat, and then pour your organic oil of choice to cover the lemon zest entirely. The next step is to carefully transfer the mixture into a boiling water to sit and cook for 1 hour on medium heat. Remember to stir in between. After 1 hour, the mixture is completely ready, so gradually bring it out of the cooking pot and then keep it on the work surface to completely cool down. After 3 to 7 days of leaving the recipe in the jar, sieve it to separate the zest from the liquid and then transfer to another neat container. Store in the refrigerator to last longer as long as you need it. Remember that this recipe can be used immediately after preparation. The reason why I left it for 3 to 7 days is for the lemon zest to intensify its color into the oil within the period, but remember that you can always use this recipe immediately after its preparation. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Bye.